Okay, so right below here we're having a leak that's coming through the ceiling. Upon first inspection, it was believed to be coming from here because this looks rotten from the ground. But as you can see, it's not. The problem is this gutter is directing all the water right into our problem area. So this is sturdy and strong, you can see, but right here you can see it's not. And you can see the shingles are just lifting up, and here is the problem right here. You can see that's all rotten. So yep, leave that for now. So this is how bad the rot was. And you can see we picked at it a little bit just to see how soft it was, and it's pretty soft. So we're gonna replace all of this, and yeah, get it good as new, or even better. Yeah, we'll definitely be making it better. So here we are from the inside. You can see the water has seeped down actually from where we were. We were over here. It seeped all the way down to here, and that's where you're seeing the leak. But in reality, the problem was here. Got the roofers here, and now we're gonna go ahead and get this roof taken care of. Feeling good. Alright, all the shingles taken off, and it's coming together. Just like that, all in a day's work.